Hello and welcome. My name is Sebastian, and we want to do today Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. So what is it actually? So you can, with this service, deploy and scale web application and services which are deployed into different languages. And we just have a short overview how it's actually working. Usually, when we go back to the basics, you can, deploy your own instances, create your own instances. You can create your own VPCs. You can create also this with CloudFormation. You can create your load balancer for your application which you need. But all in one, you could also use Amazon Elastic Beanstalk to let this run for you. And this is how we do. So usually you will find Amazon Elastic Beanstalk when you type here on top Elastic Beanstalk, there you would find it. So you will come up here, and the first thing what we will do, we will at first create the application. We do a web server environment and we will give it a name. So demo app. We will do as usually a tag, or this time we leave it blank. Then you can have here your environment name, so demo app nv. It's created automatically. Then the domain, you can have here a name, but you can also leave it blank, then it's auto-generated. You can give it a name or a description, so demo app Beanstalk environment. So in this case we choose a platform, so we choose Node.js, also the Linux and the platform. In this case you can upload also your own code, or we do here in this time or in this demo just a short sample application. And then we do here a single instance. So when you have your own applications and you think, okay, I have my code ready, you can upload it here from your local device or from an S3 bucket, and you can already give it here some more compute power. But for this demo case, we just go with a single instance. Then we go to next. And at first we choose a service role. We can also create one. So this is for the environment. Like next. Put also the permissions and here create the role. Okay. So this is created. So just push here. Okay. EC2 instance profile. Also here we need to create a role. Also this, you see here, compute is already done for us, so that's easy to do. Just you have here which permissions you have inside. You have multi-container Docker, web tier and worker tier. Click on next. So actually just a click and click through. We create the role. Also this one is created. That's awesome for us. So also here, and the EC2 key pair, if you need it, you can do this. Then we go to next. Just wait a moment. You can use also VPCs, but in this case, we will leave it blank. Also databases, for us it's actually enough. We can skip to review. So as you can see, yes, you can use your VPC, you can use storage, but for this demo case, it's no problem to go here just with this. So we configure the environment, also the access, and when we scroll down here, we go to create. This will shortly load. And here you can see you have here already some events. So as long and as this is running here. We have the health is right now unknown. So this means in the background it is created. And what we can do is we could do also go to CloudFormation. Let's see if we find there already something, because Beanstalk uses CloudFormation to create all the underlying services. So here we have it, create is in progress. We go to events, and there you see already it's creating something. And we just have to wait until all of this is done. So we can go back to our Beanstalk. It's still launching the environment. This will take a few minutes, no problem for us. So it created an EIP. So as long as this is now creating, we can already speak about some of this stuff here. So actually, when it's then created, you can monitor your Beanstalk environment. You can set alarms if this is necessary. And this is first now the monitoring. Yes, you can do some alarms. You can manage the updates for your application. Also, this is possible. Tags, you have logs for your EC2 instance. And still we can go now back and see, waiting for EC2 instance to launch. So go back to CloudFormation. Shortly update here. And let's see, yeah, nearly some stuff is green, not nearly all. Some stuff is already green, so it will still take a moment. And yeah, when you have your application then running in Beanstalk, you can then also change the code. You can, like I said, also manage updates and so on. And here you can see it's now successfully launched. Our health is okay. That's great. And now we can upload and deploy. Deploy. Oh, sorry. Not upload and deploy. We have to click here. Sorry. Upload and deploy would be a new code. Here we have our short application, which is the sample creation of AWS. So easy to do. And when we go back, you can see now here, hopefully something in the monitoring. Let's go there. It will shortly, no data yet, so it has to come also a little bit after a while. But here you can then see also your health, your CPU, and your network in and network out traffic. And that's actually it. So when you then want to manage it, you can then here load configurations if you have others, or you just, did now come something? No. You just upload your new code, could be the version 2, and then deploy it and run it on your demo app environment, which is in Elastic Beanstalk. That's actually it. Let's see if we still can hear something. See in health. So here's our instance. Let's check this instance. When we go there, it goes to our EC2 instance dashboard. And there we will see, hopefully after it's loading here. Okay, it is running. And also here you have all the monitoring which is necessary. And you can also do here any kind of configurations if necessary to storage or anything else. Okay, that's great. So easy to use. You saw that within a few minutes we could run or deploy our services which are necessary. So our infrastructure, and you saw also it is actually created. Dismiss. This is actually created in the background with AWS CloudFormation. Okay, still not all here, but it's create complete already. So stack info creation complete. And yeah, when you don't want to use it anymore, you can go here to Actions and then Terminate Environment. And you have to here, terminating this will also terminate its associated resources. This is what we want to have. Enter the name, and our name is this one. So we just type it here and then terminate. And then in the background, it will then terminate all of our resources which are necessary usually to deploy our web application, so that no other costs are occurring. Okay, I hope this was helpful. This is a short introduction how this works, and see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.